and welcome to Lety Does Autumn of Aprons Try-On Haul, October 2019. Well guys, it is now October, which means that we are in the second month of my Autumn of Aprons theme. And of the choices from last month, you guys decided that you wanted to see me make an apricot upside down tart while wearing this outfit with my little apricot-ish apron. If you haven't seen how that went already, yeah, you can find those videos. They're up for the cooking with style, but it didn't go well. It just did not. And it's so unfortunate that the time I did it for my video, it was a disaster. Basically, a lot of things didn't go according to plan, and I just kept trying to fix it because I really wanted to make it work, but I could not make it work. And yeah, you guys can see all that in the videos I made. Anyway, this month we are stepping away from baking and doing 3 new outfits with 3 different recipes that I'm pretty sure do not involve an oven. But I'm gonna have to read all the recipes over again, because if I learned anything from doing the upside down tart, it is that even if I read the recipe a whole bunch of times, I don't really process it until I am in the act of doing it. And that was also one of the things that went pretty wrong with the recipe for the upside down tart. Anyway, so yeah, 3 new choices for you guys, and I'll be telling you guys the recipes that you might want to see me cook for this month's Cooking with Style. It's up to you guys what I do. So again, you can vote for your favorite by clicking that card up there. I'll have a vote. And again, this is going to be not just a vote for the outfit. You're also going to be picking which recipe you're going to want to see me cook in the outfit for the video, and also again for my photo set A, which is where the outfit is going to be shown off. And with that, I think that is basically all you need to know if you're new here. So let's get started. Oh yeah, guys, and before anyone says it in the comments, I know my shirt is wrinkly as fuck, and that is because after I did the photo shit. Yeah, I make garbage, so that makes sense. Anyway, after I did the photo shoot, I washed this and I stuck it in a bag and pulling it out now. So yeah, now let's get started. All right, guys, so for option number 1, we are going to have this green outfit here. And this outfit is going to be paired along with the recipe for Sake-Braised mustard greens with sesame, which is going to be over on page 103. It's the recipe itself. The photo for the recipe is going to be here on 102. So that's what it looks like. And for this recipe, I am going to be making it while wearing these kale earrings because I thought they were cute and I really like how they look. So, you know, they kind of match the greens in the recipe and also the greens in this apron, which actually has a little bit of like a pattern of feathers, I suppose. It kind of looks like feathers in my opinion, but yeah, it also has a pocket, one singular down the middle, so, you know, useful. No dual pockets, but that's okay. And then to go along with this outfit, I have this beige underwear here, which consists of this shirt with some strappies along the top. And I think the shirt by itself looks pretty dang cool. And also I have these matching lacy beige panties that just kind of match the pattern of the shirt. It is a lacy thong, and overall, I mean, I really like the outfit. I think it looks a little more simple and more like natural colors than all the bright, vibrant stuff I've had before, so hopefully that goes along well with the recipe. So as for the recipe, you are going to need a 1/4 cup of toasted sesame oil, 6 garlic cloves thinly sliced, 4 large bunches of mustard greens or kale, ribs and stems removed, leaves torn into large pieces, half a cup of sake or dried white wine, 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemon zest, kosher salt, and toasted sesame seeds for serving. You're going to want to pour oil into a large, high-sided skillet, add garlic, and set over medium heat. Cook, stirring often until garlic is barely golden, which should take about 2 minutes. Add 1/3 of the greens to skillet and toss to coat with oil and garlic. Cover skillet with a lid and cook until greens are slightly withered, which should take about 2 minutes. Uncover skillet, add sake and another 1/3 of the greens and toss to combine. Cover and cook until greens are slightly withered, which should take about 2 minutes, and then add remaining greens. Cover and cook until slightly withered, which should take about 2 minutes. Remove lid from skillet and then add lemon zest to greens and continue to cook, stirring often until greens are completely withered and tender and most of the liquid has been evaporated, which should take about 2 minutes. Season with salt, transfer greens to a serving bowl, and top with sesame seeds. And that is how you make this recipe. So guys, this outfit consisting of this feather apron, the panty and bra in beige, and these earrings cost me $62, and this outfit along with this recipe are going to be your option number 1. Alright guys, so for option number 2, we have these turnips with spicy Meyer lemon dressing, and the photos for these are going to be over on page 62, and the recipe is going to be over here on page 63. And for this recipe, I've put together this outfit consisting of this vintage apron, which has some like turnips on it, or radishes, I guess, as the design. And I thought they look really cute. This part up here that connects to your neck is a little thinner, which is fine because of the lingerie that I have for this. But yeah, so this apron, actually the way you take it off is just this one simple little button on the side, and then you can remove the thing by pulling it over your head. So I think the design for it is simple and kind of cute. The one little pocket I think is too small to be useful, but I guess we will see. And going along with this, I also got this one-piece low-cut teddy. The reason that I picked this one is because the red kind of matches the outfit colors, and I picked the teddy because I feel like when I wear the lingerie with the apron on top, it should match up to the missing, to like the open parts of the apron. So I kind of just wanted to compliment that. And then to finish the whole thing off, I have this little turnip radish necklace that I thought looked pretty vintage, just like the apron itself, and I like how glittery and sparkly it is. And to make this recipe, you are going to need 2 cups of bonito flakes, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of usukuchi soy sauce, 1/4 cup of mirin, 1 tablespoon of ichimi togarashi zest, and juice of 4 Meyer lemons or regular lemons, 2 bunches of hakure turnips with tops, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, kosher salt, and toasted sesame seeds for serving. You're going to want to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Grind bonito flakes in a spice mill or blender until finely ground. You should have about 2 tablespoons. Bring ground bonito, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and togarashi to boil in a medium saucepan. Reduce heat to medium and simmer, stirring often until reduced by a third, which should take 12 to 15 minutes. Pour dressing into a small bowl, cover and chill until cold, at least 30 minutes and up to 3 days. Stir in lemon zest and juice. Meanwhile, separate tops from turnips. Trim stems from leaves. Discard coarsely chopped leaves. Cut turnips into 1-inch wedges. Toss turnips and leave with oil on a rimmed baking sheet. Season lightly with salt. The dressing is salty. Roast, tossing halfway through until leaves are withered and turnips have taken on a touch of color, which should take 12 to 15 minutes. Transfer turnips and leaves to a platter. Spoon over some of the dressing. You'll have some extra and sprinkle with some sesame seeds. So this outfit consisting of the apron, the teddy lingerie, and this necklace cost me $61 to put together. And this outfit, along with this recipe, are going to be your option number 2. All right, guys, and for the last option, we are going to have this smoky carrot dip. This one is going to be, they don't have a full picture because it's just a dip, but I'll make it work, you know? It's going to be this one up here. It's very green. I think they have a better photo on their website. But anyway, the smoky carrot dip, the photo for it is over on page 74. The recipe is over on page 75. And for this one, I put together this very on-the-nose carrot apron that has this pocket up in the front. Everything is carrots on this apron. So, kind of self-explanatory on that. Carrots everywhere. And along with this, I also got some lingerie that kind of matches. It's a little bit more like redder, pinker than the carrots on the apron, but it's still pretty dang orange. It's a clasp bra that's adjustable, and then the bottom is also just a different type of panties for like lingerie panties that match it, I feel. And I also finished the outfit off with this carrot necklace, because if I already have a apron that is so on the nose as this, I might as well have the accessory that goes along with it be just as on the nose. So I own a carrot necklace now. Anyway, that is the outfit. Now for the recipe. To make this recipe, you are going to need half a cup of skin-on almonds, 2 pounds of carrots trimmed and peeled, 2 tablespoons plus a half cup extra virgin olive oil plus more, 2.5 teaspoons of kosher salt divided plus more, 2 garlic cloves, half a cup of canned chickpeas, 3 tablespoons or more of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 3/4 of a teaspoon of hot smoked Spanish paprika, half a cup of coarsely chopped parsley, plus leaves for serving. You're going to want to preheat oven to 350 degrees. Toast almond on a rim baking sheet, tossing halfway through until slightly darkened and fragrant, which should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Let cool, set aside. Cut any thick carrots in half lengthwise, then slice all carrots crosswise into 4 pieces. Toss on a parchment-lined baking sheet with 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Spread carrots out evenly on baking sheet and roast, stirring once or twice until very tender and starting to shrivel and brown, but not char, which should take about 1 hour. Transfer carrots to a food processor, add garlic, chickpeas, lemon juice, pepper, paprika, chopped parsley, and half a cup of oil, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and reserved almonds. Process, adding more oil as needed until mixture is almost completely smooth. Taste dip and add more lemon juice and or salt if needed. Transfer dip to a small bowl, drizzle with more oil, and top with parsley leaves. And that is how you make this recipe. So, this outfit right here, consisting of the carrot apron, the matching orange lingerie, and the carrot necklace, cost me $72 to put together. And this outfit, along with this recipe, are going to be your option number 3. And with that, that is basically all I got for you guys for now. Again, if you guys would like to vote for your favorite and which one you want to see as my photo set A for the month, you can go ahead and check out that poll up there. Also, I know that I was stumbling over my words a lot, and maybe you can't see the photos because it's out of focus, so I'm going to be putting links to each of these recipes from their website over in my description. So if you want to check those out, that's where they're going to be. And yeah, otherwise I think that's about it. I totally lied in the beginning of the video when I said that these don't involve an oven. They do involve an oven except for one of them, so we'll see how that goes. I guess we'll just have to see which one wins. And yeah, that's basically all I got for now. So get out there, do all the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye. If you haven't seen... I love how all you guys are looking at me for answers, but I have none.